And I really can't find a lot of people that have adopted Prophet, but I've used it for some client projects. Well, first of all, it was introduced to me by another data scientist who I highly respect, right? You know, that's part of the benefits of collaboration when you get it more into the industry, where you start collaborating with others and maybe they turn you on to different things that you didn't know about. So I was introduced to it that way. It's a very well documented library. It takes a lot of the complexity out of time series. So if you've done time series on your own, which can be done, you can do time series with pandas in a neural network, right? There's tools out there for that. It's pretty complex to do it on your own, but it can be done. Prophet helps a lot with that. And I think it's a pretty good library for time series analysis. And as I mentioned, it's also very well documented, which not every library out there is, right? So that's why I like MetaProphet. I think it's really highly underutilized.